I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the basics fast. First, confirm you have cellular signal and mobile data off only if you intend. Toggle airplane mode on then off and restart the phone to refresh connections. Open the Messages app and make sure it is set as the default SMS app, then grant SMS and contacts permissions so messages can arrive. Check the SIM tray is fully seated and free up at least a small amount of storage. An overloaded device can silently drop incoming texts. Once done with basics, move into app and network troubleshooting. Clear the Messages app cache first. If problems persist, clear app data but back up important texts. Check settings for carrier or system updates and confirm network mode is compatible with your plan, LTE vs 3G. Verify the SMSC/service center number if your carrier provides it. Boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps and review block numbers. After each change, send a test SMS to confirm progress. If messages still don't arrive, perform a network settings reset or remove and reinsert the SIM to force reprovisioning. This often restores SMS routing. Contact your carrier to confirm your number's SMS provisioning and ask if there are outages or message center issues. Backup contacts and messages, then consider a factory reset only as a last resort. Tip: if nothing fixes it, try the SIM in another phone if texts work there. The issue is phone side, and a factory reset or repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.